the little, I don't know if you got pricked by the needle or something like that, but the freaking out that they do and that sort of thing. The thing about it now is there has been so much research, there's so much knowledge, okay, that there are certain like immunoglobulins and stuff that they can inject someone with, different antiviral medications that can be given to people. And so people who are in the healthcare field, if there's any chance like that, the people are on it like that.
Prophylaxis.
Well, it's what that means is it's being given in a prophylactic manner. So in other words, they're giving it to you just in the anticipation of, and therefore trying to stamp the problem down before it occurs. It may be that you don't even need it, but it's not going to hurt you to take it, for the most part. But you take an antiviral medication, don't get me started. Okay, so the T cell, okay? Oh, I did. So, the T cell, these cytokines, I mentioned those interleukins, right? Okay? We could have a cytokine that could be a colony stimulating factor. Do you guys remember the CSFs? Because in the bone marrow, we have the one big cell that gives rise to the red blood cells and the white blood cells. So let's say that we needed to get more neutrophils into the system. We can have cytokines from those T cells, okay, that would go and stimulate the colonies. Do you guys remember how the colonies gave rise to a certain type of the white blood cell? And so we could go to the colony that's going to stimulate neutrophils and get more neutrophils. Does that make sense? If I had the picture, I would pull the picture back out. But go back to the picture from the chapter on blood, where we have the one stem cell and it gives rise to all the other cells. And one of the things that will happen, they have the colonies form first, and then from the colonies we get the red blood cell, or we get the monocytes, or we get the lymphocytes, that sort of thing. Okay? Interferons. This is something that's a type of cytokine. Interferons, you'll probably hear, it's a pretty common term, okay? Because they'll block viral replication. So if we activate that T cell could initiate or help proliferate or help to stimulate the production of interferons. We stimulate the production of interferons, we're going to help attack viruses, and that can also be stimulated to attack cancer cells. The interleukins, I feel like I'm on Return of the Jedi or something. The interleukins, okay, these are the ones that will help the T cell incorporate some others and then help like the T cells make more copies of themselves. Something that we have that's really kind of cool, tumor necrosis factor, TNF. Ever heard of this? Well, actually they've linked TNF to my bananas I eat every day. They have found that, well, first of all, what it does, it can help to stop tumor growth. It can help release growth factors. It can help to cause the fever that comes with a bacterial infection and the body trying to fight it off. And it can help differentiate lymphocytes, T cells, B cells. They're fine. Now, I don't know who did the research, okay? Now, a lot of people wouldn't eat the banana looking like this, right? Okay? They would be, oh, it's got too many spots on it. And,
We're supposed to eat the skin, right?
huh?
That's the part that has all the nutrients, the skin.
The skin.
Yeah. No, it's a banana.
Okay, I gotta call, you know, at that point, no, okay, on the banana thing. Okay, I'm not eating the peeling.
And which end do you open it
You're supposed to open it from that end, not this end, okay? But both are difficult. You know, neither one of them give an easy peel to the banana. But they say, okay, the spots, and then if they were to peel it and eat it, they cut the little spots off of it, you know? I think that's when the banana's good, okay? It's sweet. When I was growing up, because, you know, y'all talk, well, I have been told I'm not Southern. Even though I grew up in that small town right on the border of Virginia and North Carolina, okay, I have been told I'm not Southern. And I did find out last week that that's very true, okay? What I used to think of as myself being Southern, I'm not, all right? But when I was growing up, one of the things that, you know, because you know how it is, you grow up in a small town, everything's centered around the church. And so one of the things that would happen at all food functions, okay, you had this one lady who knew how to make the best banana pudding. Okay? And she would get the bananas ahead of time, and I mean, she'd let the things almost rot. Okay? But it was the best banana pudding I've ever eaten. So I guess that's why I don't have a problem, you know, eating the bananas if they've got the spots on them. They're finding that it actually has the TNF in it, that it's supposed to be helpful for the TNF, which I thought was kind of interesting.
Can you stop for a second? They developed TNF as a